been able to film too much in here today. The customer's home today, but also they've got tree surgeons in the back garden. We've been using chainsaws all day, so obviously it's not worth doing any sort of voiceover on that because it's probably not great for you to listen to. So anyway, I've just chucked all that band of that on. This wall's just going to have a final polish, although to be honest it doesn't even need that really. Just put that on. So I'm just waiting for that to pick up for the second coat, and I've chucked that on, and I've just shaded the finished product really. I won't talk you too much of it. So here I'm just using the squeegee, little Marshalltown squeegee. I don't use it a lot, but it's really good just for things like this, just quickly flattening over. Obviously not to finish with, but it's just a good thing if you just want to quickly flatten, get rid of your lines quickly. So none of you flexi haters, don't give me any hate in the comments. I obviously know when to use it and when not to use it. So anyway, I'm just finishing off here with the little Nailer Flex trowel, and that's about it done really. That's the end of that job, and I shall be on to other things tomorrow. It's now 3:20, so that took me a little bit longer than I thought, that job. There was no rush, it's so warm outside, I was in no mood to sort of have to move about too fast. So anyway, it's another one done. Couldn't film anything in there really today. The customer was at home today, and she was in and out of the garden, which obviously comes through that kitchen. And also they had a tree surgeon in there for most of the day, cutting down trees. So I'm just laughing, there's a bloke out there, because the sun's out. There's a bloke out there, he's got his vest on. He's walking like he's really puffing himself out. He ain't a big bloke, but he's giving it the large. Funny, isn't it? I used to do that when I was young, I think. Anyway, yeah, there was a tree surgeon in that garden all day long with the chainsaws and that, so no chance of getting any audio, any sound. So I thought I'd just do a quick video just to show you how yesterday's job turned out, really, because quite a few of you seem to enjoy it, and I'm sure, like me, when you see half of a job, you want to see the outcome. Even if it's just a quick photo, you just want to see how it come out. So that's that. Tomorrow I'm plastering ceilings. Tomorrow and Friday, yeah, Thursday and Friday, I'm plastering ceilings, so something else to watch. I prefer ceiling, if I'm honest. Give me a ceiling any day of the week instead of a wall. Walls are a pain in the arse. I'd much rather be on a ceiling. I'm at home now, so I will sign off, and I will bid you all a good evening. Have a good afternoon, a good evening. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for contributing, and just like that, I'll see you tomorrow.